Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever seen a mysterious error code pop up on your Daikin air conditioner, especially the A series, you know how frustrating it can be. Today, I'm breaking down the most common Daikin A series error codes, what they mean, and how you can fix them, step by step. Ready? Let's get started. First up, A0. External protection device activated. This just means an external safety device, like a fire alarm or overload protector, has been triggered. Check your wiring and reset the safety device only after making sure there's no real danger. If the device keeps tripping, you might need to replace it. Next, A1. Malfunction of indoor unit PCB. If your AC isn't responding but the power is fine, the indoor PCB could be damaged. Check the fuses and connections on the board. If that doesn't help, replacing the PCB is your best bet. And consider adding surge protection to avoid future issues. A3 is for drain level control system abnormal. If you see water leaking or hear weird noises from the drain pump, it could be blocked or broken. Clean the drain line and filters, test the float switch, and if needed, swap out the pump. A4. That's a malfunction of freezing protection. If your evaporator coil is icing up, look at the thermistor, refrigerant level, and make sure your filters and coil are clean. Fix what's faulty and you're good. A5 deals with high pressure or freezer. If your unit trips after heating, or you see frost, check the outdoor coil and clean it. Also, make sure the refrigerant is at the right level and the outdoor fan is working. A6 is a fan motor malfunction. If your fan's not spinning, test the motor and capacitor. Replace what's faulty and check the PCB output. A7 is a swing flap motor issue. If the air flap's stuck, free up the mechanism or replace the swing motor. A8 points to power supply trouble or overcurrent. Measure your supply voltage, check wiring, and if needed, replace the PCB or power module. A9 is all about the electronic expansion valve. If cooling or heating is weak, check if the valve is stuck or if the coil is damaged. Replace as needed. Then, AA means heater overheat. Clean air filters, test the heater protector, and replace faulty parts. AC and AE both mean low water level or no water supply. Refill the tank and check the sensors or float switch. AF is a humidifier system malfunction. Inspect the humidifier, replace the heater or PCB, and clear any blockages. AH is for dust collector issues. Clean or replace the collector and check the cleaner circuit. And finally, AJ is capacity setting malfunction. Double-check your DIP switch and capacity code settings, and make sure you're using the right PCB. That's it. Remember, if you're ever in doubt, call a pro. Like and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.